I drive an older vehicle that doesn't have an auxiliary port or Bluetooth capability, so I'm pretty much limited to CDs and the radio. Well, Amir has sent an FM transmitter that will solve that problem. I can now use an iPod or a phone to connect to my car radio. So let's open the box here and check this out. This is the T11 multifunction wireless car MP3 player. I've been testing it now for a couple weeks, and it has been great to have a variety of music in the car here. So in the box you get the wireless FM transmitter itself and an auxiliary cable there, and it also comes with a nice instructional manual. So to jump into some of the features, this is just your typical 3.5 millimeter stereo plug, nothing too fancy there. And the device itself, let's take a close-up look at the device here. As you can see, it does plug into a cigarette lighter. It has 2 ports for USB. You can charge a device with those, or plug this up and play a U drive. On the other side, it has a place for a micro USB. As you can see, that slot right there. And then here is your location of the auxiliary jack. On the front here, you've got a volume knob and the button for turning on and off play from the U drive, or has the option to locate Bluetooth. The channel button allows you to click and find the frequency, and the M will allow you to swap between the different modes. Alright, let's plug this thing in. I have noticed that it is a little bit of a firm fit to get this thing pushed in here, so you got to give it a bit of a push there. Alright, it's going to load up, and you'll hear it talk.
Waiting for Perry.
Okay, it's plugged up now. Let's go ahead and, first of all, connect through Bluetooth. So I've got just my basic iPod here. I'm going to select the T11 here on my device.
Paired.
Okay, it is now paired. Now, there are definitely some benefits of using the Bluetooth versus the auxiliary port, and I'll show you those real quick. So first of all, to make sure you're on the same frequency, you can see here I've got FM 107.7, and that is matched right here, 107.7. You can select channel and adjust that. And you'll notice when I hit that 107.7, it will reduce the static. And that is really nice to have. So now that it is connected, I'm going to play a song that is not YouTube copyright. Okay, notice my volume is all the way up here on the device. I'm going to keep that as it is, and I can either turn it up here. Let's see, about 35. That's about halfway on my dial. But this, you'll notice a huge difference. So there's 3 different places that you can turn this up at. So one of the benefits of having the Bluetooth is that this knob will adjust the volume. Another benefit is if you push a forward or back button, it will change the song on your MP3 player. So I just changed the song without having to go to it and adjust. So that is definitely handy to have. Now I'm going to use the auxiliary plug here. It's a little bit awkward to get to, but got that installed. Now it's still looking for Bluetooth, so if I push the mode button here, it will swap over to the auxiliary cable, and now I can use my device to play music. And now this no longer works as a volume button, and you can no longer change the song by using those buttons. So this is basically the only volume that works on this now. Now that I have this Bluetooth FM transmitter, I'm going to be using my music player in the car a lot so I can listen to what I want to. This will do a whole lot more than I've just shown you. You can hook it up to your phone and it will answer your phone. It can do U-Disc, which I don't have. Also a micro SD, it'll search for songs on that, which I also don't have. Of course, you can charge your device. It will support FLAC, MP3, and Windows Media Audio, so all good options for playing your music to your car. So after 2 weeks of use, I can definitely recommend using this Bluetooth player. If you would like to check it out, I have a link in the description down below to the Amazon page. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.